Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. People knew about helpful properties of baking soda from the times of ancient Egypt. Now we know about 300 ways of its use, which housewives from all over the world have used for numerous centuries. In this video you will find out 15 most popular of them. We are sure you all have baking soda at home, but do you use it just for baking? Well, this versatile and low-cost tool can be used not only to alleviate the symptoms of heartburn or to bake pies. Sodium bicarbonate will help you throughout the house, for individual hygiene, as well as for dealing with unwanted bugs, and will make everything a lot easier. Top 15 uses for baking soda. 1. Insect bites. If an insect bites you, you should make a paste using water and baking soda, and apply it to your skin in order to relieve the itchiness. 2. Natural deodorant. Avoid using chemical deodorants and go for natural ones such as the one with baking soda. Make a mixture of baking soda and water, and put it in a container. You can apply it to your underarm area. Also, you can use this to remove feet odor. 3. Ease heartburn. If you have heartburn, you can use baking soda to relieve it. Make a drink of half a glass of water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, you can add a little bit of baking soda to your milk and drink it. 4. Hair remedy. If you want your hair to grow faster, you should make a mixture of 9 tablespoons of water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Put this mixture in an applicator bottle and then apply it on the root of your hair. Massage your scalp. Then, massage your scalp again with a mixture of ACV and water. You will notice your hair becoming long, healthy, and shiny. 5. Scrub. You can make a paste from baking soda and water and scrub your skin. Baking soda can fight against blackheads and wrinkles, even tarnished skin. 6. Bad breath. If your breath is not nice, you can make a mixture of 2 teaspoons of baking soda with lime, and 1/2 cup of water. Wash your mouth with this mixture. Also, you can make a mixture of water with 3 or 4 tablespoons of baking soda. 7. Stretch marks. If you massage your body regularly with this mixture, you will notice your tissue regenerating faster. For the mixture, you need 3 tablespoons of baking soda and the juice of 1/2 a lemon. 8. Thick skin. If you soak your feet a few times per week in water with baking soda, you will prevent your skin from getting rough. Also, you can remove bad smell from your hands if you rub them with baking soda. 9. Remove stains. Make a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. Make a paste of 3 parts baking soda with 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Then, you should spray the liquid you have prepared on the area between your tiles, and then scrub with the paste. 10. Jewelry. Yes, you can bring back the old shine to your old jewelry. Make a mixture of 3 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water. Take a toothbrush and brush your jewels. Finally, wash them with cold water. 11. Remove fridge smell. If you want to remove the bad odor from your fridge, take a glass, fill it baking soda, and leave it on one shelf for a few days. 12. Soothe sunburn. If you got a sunburn, you could use baking soda as a remedy. Add 1 cup of baking soda to your bath. 13. Abscesses. Baking soda is also useful for an abscess treatment. You can make a mixture of 1 tsp of salt, 1 tsp of baking soda, and 1 glass of warm water, and soak the affected area for about 15 to 20 minutes 2 times a day. 14. Get whiter teeth. Even though baking soda can whiten your teeth, you should not use it too often. The simplest way to whiten your teeth is to add a little bit of baking soda to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as always. 15. Soften your beans and peas. If you want your beans and peas to be softer, you can add a little bit of baking soda to your pan. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.